Good day, everyone. Alice here from Safi Financial Network. Today is August 1st, 2023. Oh dear, August just started. Madness is coming to the market. I believe August will be a very volatile month. And we will see at the end of the month, and I will come back to this again. So this month would be lots of volatility, folks. Just be careful about this. We have got lots of geopolitical tensions are coming, lots of astrological events coming, and especially today was kind of like a new era for astrological world, and that was a new full moon, I believe, in Aquarius, which is kind of like interesting for lots of people. And also for the financial market, I believe we have got lots of volatility as well. So if you just follow my cycle since the beginning of this year, we expected a summer rally. We nailed the March bottom. About the price, we were kind of like off for the price because the summer rally was overstretched. Market has nice momentum to the upside. That was surprising for me, but overall, we nailed the bottom and nailed the summer rally. Right now, I'm just telling you, folks, we are just getting to the end of the summer rally, and still we can go another higher high, but the upside target is going to be limited and volatility is going to be high. So today we had earnings for AMD and Pfizer, Merck, I believe, and what was the other one? Caterpillar and Starbucks. So lots of good and bad earnings, but overall was good, and nothing was wrong in overall. But we are just getting close to some serious danger, I think, or the warning sign for the market. So let me just elaborate this on the chart. This is S&P 500 daily chart. So we got into this area, and we just got back up today. So yesterday was kind of like a nice upward move, but today is coming down. Volume again was light, just 50 million for SPY, which is S&P 500 ETF. So we need to be careful about this just because market is on the light volume. Thursday we will have earning for Apple and Amazon, and that's going to just create volatility. NFP is going to be this Friday, and if NFP goes high or above expectation, that would be kind of like a put for a reserve right on the corner that we need to increase another 25 basis rate hike, just because steel job market is hot, and CPI is coming next week, and I believe CPI is going to be surprising for this month, just because I mean this month like for July. We will get to that one just because CPI number reflects about the energy. If you go to like a gasoline, so let me just bring the chart for gasoline. So you see that gasoline had a nice surge to the upside. So this is May, June, July was gasoline high. And if you go to another chart, which is like low sulfur or diesel, that would be kind of like a scary chart. So look at the chart here. This is a diesel chart. So it was skyrocketing to the upside, and all in all, it just break out above this trend line as well. So this is kind of like the warning sign that for the market, we are just seeing the energy price in everything is just going up again. So if we get back to here, that would be kind of like, again, rising CPI. And if CPI goes above expectation this month, which I'm not going to be surprised, to be honest, that would be scary for the market. This market will stimulate that, okay, probably Federal Reserve is going to have another increase, and Jackson Hole is coming by end of this month. So all in all, when I'm just seeing this one, and also coming along with my cycles, I'm just telling you that August could be a tricky month for the market. But based on the price action and technical analysis, we're just, as long as we are above 4,300 or 4,400, this corrective move could be healthy for the market for another rally to the upside. I'm looking for, to be honest, a kind of like drop for the next 2-3 days or even week, and then coming back again to the rally before CPI. So we can see a rally just before CPI. And when CPI is coming, I think market is going to just collapse sharply to here to downside. And it's going to just coming along with the September period. So it's going to be a series of lower, lower, lower high coming all the way down to here. So we should see, if we see a deeper corrective move to here and market hold up again at 4,300, that would be a nice buying opportunity for September-October period. So again, September-October period is gonna be a difficult time for the market. And right now we are just at the beginning of the August, so we can see a volatile month. But when we get to September-October period, we should see a downside move and potential buying opportunity for the next move. So all in all, when I just say this, we have seen a divergence clearly in MACD, in RSI, divergence is here, and also in a stochastic as well. So when price is getting higher, all these indicators are coming down. So even in daily chart, it's just visible that we have got the divergence on the top. So the divergence on the top, that's going to be a corrective move to the downside. Again, it's going to be a correction. I'm not expecting a crash or something. The way that I'm talking for the volatility, I'm not looking for something like drop like this. It's going to be just a drop. Probably the maximum stretch is going to be here. So some scale, something like this, the March, February to March corrective move. So that was kind of like a scary for the market. But look at the rally after that. So everyone just forgot about it. But that drop could be healthy for the market as well. So we'll see how it goes. Moving on to the Nasdaq, which had a negative day today. So Nasdaq just coming down. So let me zoom in here. This is the period that I'm looking for Nasdaq as like a price wise. So it seems like it's just a reacting well. Right now, it's just forming a bullish consolidation here, but this bullish consolidation is inside this white range bar. So as long as we are in this box, so this can just going up and down, but breakthrough to the either way would be very, very spiky. If we break to the downside from below 15,200 or 300, that would spike down to here to 14,000. So we will see how it goes. But if it goes above this, so I should say probably it's going to spike up to double top or new all-time high for Nasdaq. So we will see how it goes. But right now, Nasdaq is in, I should say, a very, very stretched, overbought. And if we just get another time testing SMA 20 or below this pivot, we can just have a sharp sell-off to here and also to here as well. So I'm just looking for a sharper sell-off for Nasdaq compared to the other indexes in the month of August. Moving on to the US 30, which was outperforming today. So US 30 ended up positive, still in this kind of like a channeling up, very, very exhaustive move. And it pulled back to this area or even to this area, which is 34,900. That would be nice buying opportunity if you ask me, because US 30 is kind of like a heavy valued stock, and they have done fantastic. Like Caterpillar today was fantastic, Pfizer was fantastic. What was the other one? Merck was great as well. So nothing bad for US 30 stocks. So if energy goes up, I should say banks and financials and crude, if it goes up, so they can just go up as well nicely. So I'm just it's just a touch below new all-time high or double top here. So right now we are just dealing with this pivotal point. If we just have a pullback, and then that's going to be a buying opportunity for double top or even new all-time high for the US 30. So we will see how it goes, but minor correction for US 30, major correction for Nasdaq. That's my expectation for months of August. Moving on to the individual names, yield just have like a bullish consolidation here. So yield is just holding up pretty well. Again, it's going to be this spot. If it goes below this, that's going to be ripped down to the downside. If it goes above this, I should say it's going to be very, very spiky. It can go higher, and that's going to just trigger another like a rate hike for Federal Reserve. So this bullish consolidation is very, very important for the yield as well, because that's going to put pressure on TLT. At the same time, TLT just doesn't hold very well, so TLT just goes down today and $98. So this is kind of like a minor, I should say, support. We can see another spike to here, probably back test for the next washout low to here, 94 to 96. I'm gonna just add more to TLT. So we will see how it goes, but this is going to be interesting because, to be honest, I thought that this is going to be the bottom for the TLT, but it goes down. I was obviously wrong. And so far, TLT just heading down to this area, which is going to be this gap. And this gap could be kind of like a bottoming formation for the TLT as well. I'm just looking for bonds as like a long-term trade or investment. So it's not going to be a big deal if it goes down another 4 3% to the downside, just because when it goes off, it's going to be a blastic move to the upside. So something like this, it can happen. Just that it's now in consolidation, but I believe that's going to just be a washout low before a nice move to the upside. So gold is coming down. So gold, not a bad price action. Based on the price action, it's still in this bullish consolidation. But gold, as long as it holds above 1937, I have like a calculation here. Probably we'll see another just a lower low, and then we can just see a bottom information for the gold. So months of August, again, months of August could be a nice bottom information for gold, just because after August, October, I should say November, and also even September could be very, very bullish months for gold. So just take this as a buying opportunity. And when I see gold, it's going to impact TLT as well. So probably money is going to some safe haven, and TLT treasuries and gold can be beneficiary of this. Crude has another uptick today. So crude nicely going up 41 cents. Just tackle this area. This is going to be important pivotal point. If crude goes back down here, that's going to be possible scenario for a pullback, and then we can see another just a spike to the upside. So just be careful if crude comes back down to here. That's going to be the next or the first demand area, which is going to be $74 to $76. So we will see how it goes. VIX just a 30 cents up today, nothing spectacular. It's just a forming the bottoming formation. If you ask me, VIX can go lower low before just a spike to the upside, but that's going to be pretty interesting to see. Dixie just 36 up. Dixie is going up nicely. I should say this is kind of like a surprising. We'll see how it goes. Magma indicator, moving on to the technology, just forming a small bullish consolidation here. I'm not sure if this is going to be consolidation or distribution to the downside. So again, Apple and Amazon can be triggered on this. Apple just 84 cents down. Amazon $2 down. Amazon not a good price action. So seems like market doesn't like earning for Amazon. So they're just not doing great. Meta just a positive day, not a bad session actually. $4.11 to the upside. Microsoft 42 cents. This one is weak. This one is just forming a bearish consolidation inside this wide range bar. So we will see how it goes. Google just $1.17 down, but not a bad price action. Still hold up this gap, and if it goes below this, that's going to be ugly right now. Above 128 is going to be a bullish. Netflix 35 cents downside, just a doji bar, nothing spectacular. Tesla, I believe this one is getting ready for another sharp sell-off to the downside. So 207, 222, that's going to be my target area, which is shown here. But I believe Tesla is just getting ready for another sharp sell-off to the downside. SMH 9 cents down, nothing bad, nothing good. After market, SMH just went up due to AMD earning, so we will cover that one. Stocks, the same pattern, 34 cents to the upside. Stocks, I believe, still not new all-time high, but SMH just outperformed stocks. TSM 75 cents down. It's not a good. Seems like geopolitical tensions in Taiwan and China and even US, that's going to be obstacle for this stock. So we'll see how it goes. AMD after market just rocking to the star. So AMD 4% after market, 2.8% before closing bell. Good earning, so nothing bad with the earning. AMD just beat the expectation and revenue, so far so good. Nvidia just after market, almost the same doji bar, nothing happening. Texas Instrument, $1.65 to the downside. Lam Research, $2.59 to the downside. Moving on to the financials, hold up pretty well, like XLF, just the doji bar, nothing happening here. Seems like this bullish consolidation. If it stays here for a long time, that's gonna go higher, probably to the next level, which is $37. So I'm just looking for still this sector has a bullish momentum. KBE, nice price action, 40 cents down, but good candle. KRE the same, 50 cents down, but good candle as well. JP Morgan, bullish consolidation here, 78 cents down, nothing happening. Goldman Sachs, so this one is kind of like a leading to the upside. So remember when we were here, I was talking about like Goldman can just spike up pretty nicely and reverse the course to the upside if it wants to. So it's very, very high momentum stock. And that's why Dow Jones was positive today. So Goldman was one of the Dow elements. Bank of America, 38 cents up. Nothing bad, nothing good. Wells Fargo, 45 cents down. Still bullish consolidation. Moving on to GoldMiners, which they just hammered today. So 3.76 cents down. Pretty sharp sell-off for the GoldMiner. GDX, just the 3.64 cents down. AEM, 3.43 cents down. So this is not a good looking chart. This one can go test this double bottom here probably. NEM, just the $1.21 down. AEM is on the weaker side. So this one, not a good shape at all. So this, if this one can go down, so this one can just hit the $38, which is going to be double bottom here. So we'll see how it goes. Franco Nevada, this one had like a better price action yesterday, but today just go down. Gold Barrick, 26 cents down. Nothing bad, nothing good. I like this name, to be honest, Gold Barrick. So probably we will get to this one to just reallocate some gold miners as well. So moving on to the energy sector, 41 cents XLE down. That was surprising because crude was positive, but XLE was negative today. XOP, not a bad price action, just a 41 cents down, but all in all, this one is good. So this one has a nice momentum to the upside and nothing pretty much bad with it. OIH, $2.04 down. Exxon, 62 cents down. Chevron, $1.36 down. Oxy, 49 cents down. Oxy needs to have more consolidation prior to this breakout, which I believe is going to happen. Rick just hammered today, 4% down, 43 cents. Still in this bullish consolidation, but still looking for a pullback to this area as like a buying opportunity. So we'll see how it goes. Tomorrow we will have earnings for PayPal and other names as well. So we will see how it goes. But again, this week could be tricky. Next week as well could be tricky. So August could be very, very volatile months. Be careful with this one. Okay, if you like this video, please smash the like button, subscribe to our channel, and have a good one. See you on the chart. Bye-bye.